video is how to read your owner's statements. So owner statements will be posted to your owner's portal monthly when we make your owner's distributions. You'll receive an email once your statement has been posted to your portal, and then you can view and download your statements from there. Owner's statements are static, meaning these numbers and dates don't change, unlike the owner's portal dashboard, which shows you a live view of transactions coming in and out of your account. Okay, so starting at the top of your statement, we'll have your name and your address. Your property nickname will be listed here, and then the dates that this statement includes. At the beginning of the statement, under the property cash summary, you have your beginning balance listed here, your cash in, cash out, any owner's disbursements, ending cash balance, unpaid bills, property reserve, work order estimates, and net owner funds. Under that, this is where your transactions are listed, your cash in, your cash out, and your running cash balance. Okay, so listed under your transactions, we'll have your beginning balance. This is going to typically be your property reserves amount that has been held in your account unless we've used it to pay any bills throughout the month. So we've got an Ogden City bills in the cash out. We had the tenants make payments right here, are all these listed cash in. Sometimes the tenants will make multiple payments, or sometimes they'll just come in separately depending on what bill they have paid. So in this case, they paid a couple of water, sewer, garbage bills, and then rent came in after that. Under that, we had a bill right here that came out of the account. And then underneath that, we've got an ACH fee, a couple of maintenance coordination fees for a couple of work orders that came through, and then an owner distribution that was made to the owner here. And then we have our ending cash balance. This typically will be the amount of your cash reserves. However, there is an unpaid bill listed here, which is why the ending cash balance is a little bit more to compensate for this bill that is due right there. All right, these again are posted to your owner's portal each month, every time we pay you, typically on the 10th of the month. All right, that's it on your owner's statement.